Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up SSH via Cloudflare Tunnel. The first thing that you will have to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard and navigate to Access. So go ahead and search for Access, and then you will look for Access applications and just go ahead and click that. But first, you have to ensure that you have the plan or the full version before actually proceeding. So once you choose your plan, you will be able to see a create a tunnel feature here, and then you will just have to give it a descriptive name like SSH tunnel, and then you will just have to click next. And then after that, you will just have to download the Cloudflare connector for your operating system, and you will see a download button with instructions for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then open your terminal or command prompt and run. You will just have to run this Cloudflare tunnel like in to your so this is the prompt for your so this is you will just have again you will just have to open your terminal or command prompt and run this, and then after that you will just have to follow the browser link it provides to authenticate with your Cloudflare account. And then next you will just have to start the tunnel using um Cloudflare. So this Cloudflare tunnel run SSH tunnel. So yeah, and you will see a message confirming the local endpoint for SSH access, and typically it is localhost semicolon 22 or a custom port. And finally, you will just have to configure your SSH client like terminal or something like that, and then you will just have to connect it to this local endpoint, and your login will be your server credentials, and the tunnel encrypts your traffic so the server remains protected. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.